Welcome back to the Big Swift Quiz. This is number 2. There are lots of folks here. Great to see you all back in for another edition of the show. As always, you'll be answering the same questions live, and the top 3 folks will win my Swift Power Pack, which normally has a value of $150. I'll explain exactly how the quiz works if this is your first time. But first, I want to say thank you to my sponsor, which is Bitrise. Great hoodies, as you can see. They make it super easy to add continuous integration to your iOS apps on their platform. It makes it really great for code signing, testing on real devices, and much, much more. Plus, they have their free plan with over 200 free builds of 30 minutes each. That's across unlimited private Git repos. It's really, really good. Check them out at bitrise.io. Okay, here's how this thing works in practice. So you will see on your screen eventually, on your iPhone or on a second Chrome tab or Safari or your iPad, whatever you're using, you will see answer buttons like these ones. Red, blue, yellow, and green. You can choose one of those to every question asked to you. Speed matters, but you can only choose one, and your answer is final, so don't get it wrong. Then, after the answer buttons appear, you will see questions on this stream. So you can see right now with me, you'll see a question saying, what is the meaning of life? Then, also on the stream, you will see the answers, what those colors mean. So it might be 40, 41, 42, and 43. And you say, well, I think the answer is blue, 41. So you'll press blue on your screen, and that's your final answer. Off it goes. You will see also that there is a timer happening here. This time it is 30 seconds per question to get your answer in and done. So don't hang around. Think about it. Get it right, of course, but don't hang around. You only have 30 seconds per question to answer. You get a high score by answering as fast as possible correctly. So 0 points for a wrong answer, maximum points for a correct fast answer. This time, the final 3 questions, 8, 9, and 10, carry double points. So you can catch up very easily towards the end if you're careful. At the end of each question, I'll point out the correct answer. In this case, it is 42. I'll explain briefly why, and we'll go on to the next question. So, that's all the rules. Let's summarize. First, you will see answer buttons appear on your screen. Then, after that, you'll see the question appear on my stream. The stream you can see right now have the question text on it, and I'll read it out to you. Then, step 3, the answer options appear on the stream as well. It'll say 40, 41, 42, 43. You press the right color button on your screen, your iPhone, your second Safari tab, whatever you are using. Then you press the correct button as fast as you can. And of course, step 5, most important, you bask in your Swifty glory, come top and win a great prize. That is all the rules. That's everything. It's a really simple game, a nice fun distraction on a Sunday afternoon, here in the UK at least. I hope you all do very well. If you are all set, we can begin. Go ahead and join the quiz at kahoot.it, kahoot.it, with a game pin of 137291. 137291. Go ahead and join now. Oh, I saw Smongo fly by again. Good luck, Smongo. Did well last time. I see Stuff. Hello again, Stuff. I think Philip Nemechek. Who else do we have? Wow, it's so fast. I can barely keep up. Felicity. I saw Felicity fly by. Some burgers. Awesome. I like that. Creative name. I want to see burgers win, just so I can say burgers on the podium. Because why not? Da-ba-da. Lots of folks. Obviously, the more folks we have, the harder it gets. But that's part of the fun, right? Lasagna Coda. I'm liking that. I like the food theme we have going on this time. Tom Nook! No, we can't let Tom Nook win. He's rich already. He's the one collecting all the bells. As a reminder, folks, the key thing here, 10 questions, get them correct. Don't rush into it, just get them correct. Take your time. Lag really shouldn't matter because as long as you haven't got a terrible connection, like it's a satellite, for example, you'll be fine even if you have a slow connection because the key is to get them right consistently. All right, folks, I'll give you another 10 seconds to join the game. Kahoot.it 137291, and then we will begin. That's 220, crikey. That's going to be a tough game, folks. Oh, he's still joining. Dear me. One thing you can't see, helpfully hidden by this Bitrise hoodie, is that I took my kids out skipping yesterday, and for the very first time in my life, I used a weighted rope, and I have massive red wounds on my arm where the whip came around and hit me so hard because I was going too quickly. Lesson learned, I'd think, but I'm not clever enough to learn lessons. All right, folks, I think that's enough time to join, even though folks are still joining. I'm going to go ahead and start the game. Let's do it. All right. So I'll press start and we begin. Still joining. Big Swift quiz number 2 with the first question in 3 seconds. Here we go. Before iOS was given that name, it was called what? Was it ZOS or ZOS, iPhone OS, Mac OS, or Purple OS? Go ahead and make your choice now. Remember, you have 30 seconds in total. Speed does matter though, so obviously the faster you can answer, the better, but get it right. Don't just mash the first color you see, you will lose. I'll see Burger on the podium. Let's find out. Is Burger on the podium? So most of you got it correct. Well done. It was iPhone OS. Come on, Burgers. Adrian B, Austin Connor, and Smongo. Well done, folks. Adrian B's top with 938. That was a lightning fast answer. Well done, Adrian B. Question 2. Who is this? Is it Chris Lattner? Is it Ted Kremenek? Is it Sean Allen? Or is it Dave Verwer? Chris Lattner, of course, started the Swift project. Ted Kremenek is the current project manager, or the project lead, I should say, not project manager. He runs Swift at Apple. And Sean Allen, of course, is a prominent YouTuber in the Swift world. And Dave Verwer runs iOS Dev Weekly. Who is that grinning back at you across the internets? The answer was Dave Verwer. Fair number got it correct. I would say if you subscribe to iOS Dev Weekly, which you should, because it's a lovely newsletter, his picture appears at the very top. So pro tip, I'll do better next time. Go and read Dave's newsletter. Next question. Let's have a look who we're doing. Adrian's dropped down a place and Niv B shot to the top. Smongo's gone though. Dear me, Smongo. Niv B, well done. What is the value of uint8.max? Is it 63? Is it 127? Is it 255? Is it 65535? So a uint8, an unsigned 8-bit integer. 8 ones or zeros, unsigned. What is the maximum value that can be? 63, 127, 255, or 65535? 1 second to go. Boom. It is, of course, 255. Well done. Most people got that correct. I think 106 is a very, very good response. And leaderboard. Oh, all change. Oh, Farcast B's at the top now with Austin back on the board and Davey coming up there as well. Well done. Philip never checks the highest climb of 122 places. Well done, Philip. Good job. Next up, question number 4. Chris Eidhoff is famous in our community for what? Is it his gaming website, ma.io? His home improvement website, pat.io? His math website, rate.io? Or his tutorial website, obc.io? Is it Mario? Is it Patio? Is it Ratio or obc.io? Make your choice now. Red, blue, yellow, or green. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yes, of course, it is obc.io. I believe someone asked him whether he was planning to change to swift.io. I think someone had taken it already. Dear me. Anyway, 200 folks, well done. How do the leaderboard? Austin Conlon passed 4,000 points. Well done. And an answer streak of 4 from AP Joe X. Well done. Question number 5. How fast does Bitrise aim to support new Xcode betas? Is it 48 hours, 2 days, 96 hours, 4 days, 1 week, or 1 month? Pro tip, they're very fast. They're extremely fast. They really couldn't get much faster, quite frankly. Is it 48 hours? Is it 96 hours, 1 week, or 1 month? Did I mention, folks, this is sponsored by Bitrise. They're very nice people. I like Bitrise a lot. 3, 2, and 1. Come on, folks. Yes. Yes, it is. It's 48 hours, extraordinarily quick, and it's awesome, actually, because if you're doing unit testing with this stuff on their servers, brilliant. Bang it onto Xcode 12, and it launched in 6 weeks' time, and it'll test it straight away in 48 hours after dub. It's amazing. Next up, let's see how we're doing. Austin Collins tearing ahead. Well done. Good to see. Question 6. Which of these is not available on iOS? Is it CreateML? Is it PDFKit? Is it Vision? Or is it Core Data? Is it the machine learning framework, the PDF framework, the camera analysis framework, or everyone's favorite object framework for storage of stuff? Core Data, if you weren't sure. CreateML, PDFKit, Vision, or Core Data. You have 5 seconds. Make your choice now. Ooh, I sense leaderboard's about to change. It's CreateML. CoreML is available on iOS, but CreateML is the thing we use to train our models, and that's only available on macOS at this time. PDFKit did actually ship in iOS 12, 11 recently. It's very good. Of course, Vision is there since day one, and Core Data has been there since days gone by, a long time. That's how the leaderboard's changed. Oh, wow. Austin Conlon busted, disappeared. Farcast B is now commanding at number 1 with 6,538 points. Well done, Farcast B. Question 7. In which Swift version was Codable introduced? Was it Swift 2? Was it Swift 3? Was it Swift 4 or Swift 5? Make your choice now. Swift 2. Huge release. Swift 3. An epic release.
I couldn't find that in your music.
Oh, thanks, Siri. Swift 4, a lovely release, or Swift 5, a beautiful release. They're all great releases. I love all Swift versions, really. I'm a big fan of Swift, if you haven't guessed. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. It was indeed Swift 4. Well done, 125 people. And as a result, Farcast B stays there, doing very, very well. Matt's made up there, though, and Aki's up 39 places. Well done, Aki. Okay, folks, we're now on question 8, and this one carries double points, 2,000 points now. Which of these is a real Xcode diagnostic tool? Is it the main stack sanitizer? Is it malloc scribble? Is it zombie threads? Or is it guard coverage? The main stack sanitizer, malloc scribble, zombie threads, or guard coverage. Xcode has so many amazing diagnostic tools. I encourage you to explore them, turn them on, see what happens. Obviously, when you're testing things out, because they slow your code down dramatically, but give them a try, because they're quite wonderful. And here we go. And of course, is malloc scribble. Zombie threads. No, folks, it's not zombie threads. You're thinking of zombie objects. Zombie objects. So a bit of a cheat there. And by the way, I should say, zombie objects is a brilliant, brilliant thing. When your object's being destroyed, rather than going back to nil RAM, it'll write some different data in there instead, like a zombie. So you try and read that zombie, it'll complain at you. So it's not zombie threads. It is indeed malloc scribble. Scoreboard. Oh, it is unchanged. That means everyone got that one wrong. Well done, scoreboard. Come on, Farcast B. I thought you'd get that one right. Oh, well. Question 9. Also, double points. Catch-up time here, folks. Which of these is not a built-in property wrapper available in Swift UI? Is it fetch request? Is it gesture state? Is it binding? Or is it observable object? Do not rush. Take your time. Otherwise, you will be so angry in about, 18 seconds. Fetch request, gesture state, binding, or observable object. Make your choices now. Red, blue, yellow, or green. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, disaster! Only 17 people got one correct. The answer is observable object. That is at observed object. Observable object is a protocol, not a property wrapper. I did say, read it carefully. You rushed ahead. You saw gesture state. What could that be? Gesture state's brilliant. It's on my Swift UI by example, free on the web. Go and Google that. Gesture state. It's amazing. Unlucky folks, let's see if the leaderboard's going to change. Let's find out. Oh, fuck, Aspie's gone! Gone down to third place. Oh, NanoThread, well done. You're flying up there. 9,101 points with Seed Effect making a comeback with 3 in a row. Well done. Okay, folks, this is it now. Question 10, double points still, a cliffhanger. How many evolution proposals were implemented in Swift 3? It was a huge release, but how huge? Was it 22? Was it 44? Was it 66? Or was it 88 evolution proposals implemented in Swift 3? A mammoth, epic release. But how mammoth and how epic? Let's find out if you know. Or can take an educated guess. And by the way, I reckon a good quarter of these were Erica Sedun. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer was 88. It was huge. It was a massive breaking release. Literally, it became a whole new language in my eyes. It truly became idiomatic Swifty Swift. I'll press next now. And let's find out who made it onto the podium. In third place with 8,000 points, Matt. 8873. Well done, Matt. 9101, NanoThread. 9664. Is it Fuck-Ass B? Is it? No, it's Felicity. Well done, Felicity. That's an amazing score. 9664 with runners-up being Stuff MC and my friend Lo-Phionic. How are you doing, Chris? Right. Well done, folks. A very impressive result of their Felicity. Amazing results. I want to again thank my sponsor, Bitrise. Go and check them out at bitrise.io for all your iOS CI and CD needs. And what can I say? Thanks for playing. I hope you all learned something along the way. That's part of the fun of this game. It's a 15-minute thing. It's really, really fast, but it is just for fun. If you're one of the winners, NanoThread, Felicity, or Matt, email me, paul@hackingwithswift.com, and I'll send you your power pack. Thanks a lot, folks. The next one will be in about a week or so, maybe 10 days. Until then, take care.